This compact PNI CB Radio 7120 ASQ set fits easily into tight dashboards, so it does not intrude on your driving space, yet remains within comfortable reach. It delivers the legal maximum transmission power for European roads and runs directly from a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, making installation straightforward even for beginners. The automatic and manual squelch options, combined with RF gain control, let you fine-tune reception to cut background hiss and focus on distant or weak stations. Its digital noise management noticeably reduces static and interference, so conversations stay intelligible even in electrically noisy urban areas. The included PNI Extra 48 antenna is short enough for everyday vehicles, yet still offers reliable range for highway convoys and professional drivers. An aerodynamic low-noise antenna design helps minimize wind whistle at speed, which makes long trips quieter and less fatiguing for the driver.